The evolution of narco submarines has led to increasingly sophisticated designs, enabling them to embark on longer voyages while carrying greater payloads. This advancement presents significant challenges for law enforcement agencies tasked with combating drug trafficking. Among the key figures in this clandestine world is Oscar Moreno, often referred to as the king of semi-submersibles. Moreno operates covert shipyards in Colombia, and his extensive operations serve as a testament to the burgeoning hidden industry that has emerged in response to unwavering drug demand. In this complex landscape, Hy Sutton, a defense analysis specialist, dedicates his efforts to the study of narco submarines. He meticulously maintains a database of incidents while analyzing design trends, providing valuable insights into the evolving tactics employed by drug cartels. The construction and design of these low-profile vessels play a critical role in their operational effectiveness, as they are challenging to detect by radar. Their size and coloration allow them to blend seamlessly with ocean waters, further enhancing their suitability for illegal activities. However, the crew aboard these vessels faces significant hardships, operating in cramped quarters that limit their space and comfort. They must skillfully manage the intricacies of the vessel's diesel engine while navigating their predetermined routes. The interception of these vessels by law enforcement underscores the ongoing battle against maritime drug trafficking. It highlights the critical importance of rapid response strategies aimed at thwarting illicit smuggling operations on the open water. Typically, the crew comprises 3 individuals who rely exclusively on a compass for navigation during their treacherous journeys. Notably, these voyages can span approximately 12,000 kilometers, stretching from the Brazilian rainforest to the shores of Europe. An exemplar of modern design, the vessel CH features 3 compartments designated for the engine, crew, and cargo. Its size and fuel capacity are paramount for undertaking the long journeys that characterize its operational profile. Nevertheless, living conditions aboard the vessel present substantial challenges. The crew lacks adequate sleeping arrangements and must resort to plastic bags for sanitation needs, while their dietary options are restricted to energy bars, rice, or sardines. Unfortunately, the crew's attempts to deliver their illicit cargo were compromised by adverse sea conditions, resulting in a journey that extended twice as long as originally anticipated. Their desperation culminated in several failed attempts to rendezvous with cartel supply boats. Upon detecting the suspicious vessel's approach to Galicia, law enforcement agencies swiftly employed advanced surveillance techniques to monitor the evolving situation. The prompt response from authorities ultimately led to the arrest of 2 crew members. Intriguingly, this submarine is designed to mimic the appearance of a genuine submarine, constructed from fiberglass rather than traditional metal. This innovative design allows it to partially submerge, thereby enhancing its ability to evade detection while transporting illicit cargo. These submarines possess the capacity to carry up to 8 tons of cocaine and can traverse thousands of kilometers, underscoring their significance in the transportation of illegal drugs. The stealthy nature of their operations is key to their enduring success. The construction of these vessels represents a remarkable achievement. They are built by master craftsmen utilizing limited resources within challenging environments. Their designs reflect a unique blend of necessity and ingenuity that underscores the resourcefulness of their creators. In a notable incident in November 2020, law enforcement uncovered an extraordinary fully submersible narco submarine hidden within the Colombian jungle. This discovery showcased the advanced engineering capabilities that organizations involved in drug trafficking have developed. The construction costs associated with the now sub-approximate $1.5 million, and it features a limited battery life of 12 hours while traveling at speeds of 5 km per hour. Consequently, this limitation renders it less suitable for undertaking extended journeys. To enhance stealth, smugglers implement a towering ring attachment that allows the sub to be towed by larger ships. This adaptation significantly complicates detection efforts for law enforcement agencies. In a pivotal moment for law enforcement in 2022, the arrest of Oscar Moreno Ricardo, a notorious figure within the narco submarine realm, marked a significant victory. However, despite this achievement, new successors continue to emerge, perpetuating the challenges in combating maritime drug trafficking. Like Hy Sutton dedicate their studies to narco submarines, compiling extensive databases on incidents and designs. Their work unveils trends in unconventional naval warfare employed by drug traffickers. The low-profile vessel boasts a unique design, making it difficult for radar systems to detect. This characteristic significantly aids smugglers in executing their operations, with the vessel's top remaining visible above the waterline. 5 smugglers occupied the vessel, powered by a diesel engine and divided into compartments for crew and cargo. The cramped conditions inside reflect the inherent risks associated with smuggling. The video recounts how law enforcement, alerted by a marine patrol aircraft, successfully intercepted the vessel, preventing the crew from scuttling it to eliminate evidence. This swift action was crucial. Navigational skills come into play as the crew embarks on a journey of over 12,000 kilometers without GPS. Their reliance on a compass underscores the significance of traditional navigation methods in contemporary exploration. The engineering behind the semi-submersible vessel showcases its modern design and functionality. It features 3 compartments for the engine, crew, and cargo, optimizing space for fuel efficiency. Crew members face harsh living conditions aboard the vessel, with limited resources for sleeping and hygiene. They depend on energy bars, rice, or sardines for sustenance throughout the journey. After spending 27 days at sea, the submarine ultimately ran out of fuel, taking twice the anticipated time to reach its destination. This critical delay significantly hindered their drug delivery efforts. Despite their attempts to reach out to old contacts for assistance in unloading the cocaine, the crew faced unsuccessful efforts. This desperation forced them to sink their vessel near Galicia, a move that didn't prevent their capture. Shortly after the submarine sank, Spanish police arrested the crew members and confiscated 3 tons of cocaine, valued at approximately $100 million. Such incidents carry substantial financial consequences for drug cartels. These submarines can transport up to 8 tons of cocaine, making them vital for trafficking routes from Colombia to destinations like Mexico. Their design facilitates deep water navigation. Master builders, skilled artisans, design and fabricate these submarines, often leaving unique signatures in their craftsmanship. This expertise is essential for creating reliable and cost-effective vessels. In November 2020, law enforcement uncovered a fully submersible narco submarine hidden in the Colombian jungle, illustrating the advanced capabilities of these vessels. The absence of traditional fuel systems stands out. The construction of a narco submarine costs around $1.5 million and allows for a speed of 5 km per hour for approximately 12 hours, covering about 60 kilometers. This limited range enhances its stealthy operations. The challenge of detection persists, with authorities having found only one example in the Colombian jungle. This underscores the effectiveness of narco submarines in eluding capture. Oscar Moreno Ricardo, known as the King of Narco Submarines, faced arrest in 2022. However, his downfall does not signify the conclusion of narco submarine operations, as new generations are already in development.